What's up, everybody? This is going to be Hook Tips, which optimal upload content strategy for noobs. Because I am a noob myself, I'm not too experienced, but this is just a strategy I've been working on, and I can show you what the results are so far. And I'll break it down for you. So let's just hop right into it. So Hook Tip Switch is a content strategy I usually use for making shorts, and it is a hook, a tip, and then you switch. It's just it's just simple. It's simple. Okay. So a hook is usually a question. So are you feeling tired today? And then your tip, you put it in the question as your video, and then you can say it in the short if you want to as well. And then when you get into, are you tired today? The tip is immediately give them the answer as fast and clear as you can, 5 to 15 seconds, because that's my retention rate. So then you'll be like, are you really tired? And then in the video, you just say, well, this is what I do to go to sleep on time. Or not even that. Go to bed 1 minute earlier every single day. And if you did that, it's easy. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't have one off the top of my head. I probably should have had an example, but you know what I mean? But you give them the answer immediately. Like, go to bed 1 minute earlier. After 30 days, you're going to bed 30 minutes earlier. And then that's it. You know what I mean? Because that's essentially the retention. 5 to 15 seconds is about what people will give my content, at least. Okay. So your content's going to be different. If your retention is different, then adjust for your strategy accordingly. Okay. But 5 to 15 seconds. And then I don't do call to actions. I don't really care about call to actions. I think that I think it's like kind of being greedy in a way. You know what I mean? I understand why people do it. I'm not judging nobody for saying subscribe for more or whatever, any of that. But the only call to actions I would say, I'm trying a thing where I do a call to action for the viewer. If you really want to do a call to action, if you got any value out of this, go give your mom a hug or something like that. Just kind of it's like I feel like call to action feels like you're just so when I watch somebody and somebody says, before we hop into it, can you please subscribe? I could see the perspective that they think that they're being greedy. Anyway, so I just don't do it because I just want to give the viewer what they want, and if they want to stay, I want to compel them to subscribe without even having to tell them. So I'm trying to give value, give, and just never think about getting. And if I just focus all on giving, then I never worry about getting, because once you worry about getting, then you're you feel bad because now you have an expectation. But if your expectation is to get zero and you just focus on all giving, then you can increase your production. Okay, hopefully that kind of makes sense. So then for that, switch. So what I do is I'm at my machine and I write all these ideas out. I go to my car on my 15-minute break and I get the camera on, script, just stick to the script. Bang, 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 hit them all. Boom, 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 until an alarm goes off on my phone. Then I go back to work. And I'll go, and then in a 15-minute break, if I was diligent, I'll get 20 to 30 shorts done. So the upload strategy I want to say is 10 shorts, 1 long. That's what I've been doing. I feel like step 1 of YouTube is getting exposure. Shorts do that. And then even if 1% conversion, 1 out of 100 people subbing to you and watching long is still better than nothing. So here we go. I just want to show you kind of the power of this. Yesterday I was at video analytics, subscribers. Oh, there's no chart here. Oh wait, yeah, yesterday I was at 130, and then when I put out, what was yesterday, 17th? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I put out more than I thought, but I was planning on only doing 10. But you're gonna just doing 10, I think is just a nice square number for you, because some of them are gonna be complete bombs. See how you up here? I should have probably just did 10 because these extra 8 didn't really get any views. Sorry, I'll move myself out of the way. As you can see, it just takes a couple hits. Yeah, people don't like you in the shorts. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. But I got views, and then they have subs. Okay, so I got subs off of it. Engagement is whatever, not a big deal. But you get shown, right? And then what was the other thing to do? And then my other example would be old school RuneScape. I did a bunch of shorts for that as well. This is a long form channel. As you can see, I got about whatever. I have a base built from that, but I just started shorts yesterday. And as you can see, once you just get a keyword correctly, the algorithm puts you out in front of people. So that's my tips video. Hope you enjoy.